How to enable Passkey on OKX. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are on OKX and thinking about enabling a passkey for extra security, then that's a great move. So this is how you can do it. First of all, open your OKX application on your smartphone. Once you're logged into the home page, go ahead and click on the menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, tap on your profile name at the top and you'll end up in this user center. From here, click on Security at the top. Under Security, tap on Passkeys. Now click on Add Passkey on the next page and you'll need to go ahead and enter a 6-digit code sent to you via email. This way you'll be verifying your email before proceeding. Open up your email service provider's inbox and open up the email from OKX and copy the code inside it. Get back to the OKX app and paste it in. Now you'll also need to enter the 6-digit code sent to you via SMS. Once you receive it, type it down and now click on Continue. Click on Add Passkey. This will scan your Face ID, fingerprint or device's PIN. Follow the on-screen instructions and this creates a secure passkey tied to your device. Once completed, your passkey will be active. You can now log in using your biometrics or device's lock instead of typing a password. That's how you successfully enable passkey login, which is faster, easier, and much more secure. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.